In this lecture, we are going to discuss properties of acid and alkalis. What are the similarity between the acid and alkali, and what are the differences between the acid and alkalis. So, the first point is corrosive. ये दोनों जो हैं बहुत corrosive होते हैं. So, the first property is corrosive and acid is a corrosive. ठीक है, गलाने वाला. Alkali is also has the same property, corrosive, right? It's sticky to touch, ठीक है, चिपकने वाला. It's soapy to touch, ठीक है, slippery होता है alkali. Acid जब burn करता है तो it's very smelly, and alkali it has no smell. When acid reacts with alkali, it gives the salt, right? This is the acid, hydrochloric acid. It reacts with the sodium hydroxide. It's a base, is a alkali, because you can see the difference. This is the hydrogen ion and this is the hydroxyl ion. It reacts and gives the salt and water. And this is when the same thing happens in the alkali, reacts with the acid to form a solid, salt and water. So this is the another properties. Acid turned blue litmus to red, and alkali turned red litmus to blue. How? With the help of the indicator. Indicator is strips that made by the litmus. Litmus is an indicator that change the color. It turns to blue to red when we used to check the acidity, either it is strong or weak. We use a litmus paper. When it turns into blue to red, it shows that it is a strong acid. When the blue litmus, red litmus paper we put into the alkali, it turns into the blue. It shows that it is the strong acid. How can we identify? With the help of this pH scale. This is the pH scale, right? इसमें different colors हैं. 7 neutral है, ना ही वो acid है ना ही alkali है. Acid started from the 0 to 6 and alkali started from the 8 to 14, right? 0 to 3 shows the strong acid. ठीक है, जो कलर इनके दरमियान 0 से 3 तक आएगा, it means it is a strong acid. When the 4 से 6 तक, it shows a weak acid. Then on the other hand, alkali, it started from the 8, 9, 10 is a weak alkali. 11, 12, 13, 14 is a strong alkali. Strong alkali mean it has alkali have a pH more than 7. जो 7 से ज़्यादा होगा, that it is a alkali. And strong alkali, जिसका color when it turns red color into the purple or blue, it shows that it is a strong alkali. So this is the properties of alkali. Checking the intensity, acidity and strong alkali, we can use this pH scale, and it shows with the help of the color we can identify the strengthness of the acid and alkali, right? We put this litmus paper into the acid, right? Blue litmus into the acid and red litmus into the alkali, right? It turns the color. If it turns into the red, it shows that it is a strong acid, and when it turns into the blue, it shows it is a strong alkali. And what is the number? These are some numbers. The range of 0 to 3, as I told you earlier, that 0 to 3 it shows a strong acid, and 12 to 14, 13, 12 it shows a strong alkali. alkali. So next property, acid have a pH less than 7. Yeah, you can see on the pH scale, this is the pH scale. 7 से जो less है वो acids है, 7 से जो more than है that is a alkali. Acid and alkali has the last property is acid and alkali has the same. It conduct electricity. How? When you put the wire, copper wire, which is attached to the battery and also with the bulb, right? And those wire you put it in the solution, acid solution, and an alkali solution, the bulb will glow. ठीक है, तो it shows that electricity, acid conduct electricity and as well as alkali also conduct electricity. These are some properties of acid and alkalis. I hope it is clear.